Alrighty, good morning everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday at Brainerd International Raceway here. Yesterday's video, I was mainly qualifying and getting some test passes on the car before eliminations today. We had slicks and a smaller pulley on this car. Couldn't get it to work, so overnight we made some changes, went back to radials, put the bigger pulley back on and threw one of my 540 tune-ups in it. I qualified like third to last, so I have to race the third qualifier. Charlie Lambert in his black S10, he's fast, he runs 5.0s, so we'll give it a shot. I'm gonna have to try to tree him. Hopefully something going my way this time versus last time, you know, made a clean pass and I lost to a car that's 3/10 faster than me. And then Brian's the first qualifier in OS 660 and Cole's also been struggling to get down, so we're all going into our first rounds of eliminations here. We'll see what we can do. Brian should be able to go around in that car. Cole's having a little bit of issues. He's got a white dart. So, I don't know. We'll see what we can do.
Here comes Cole, round one elimination, Sunday morning. It's gonna be a pretty good race here. Yeah, let's go! Woo! 514 at 145.7. He treed the crap out of him.
No way! No way!
Here comes Brian. First pass Sunday, round one. Competition by. Earned it. 449, 167, 4 for Bry Guy. Got lucky, but we did the job driving. Got the win. Whole shot win, baby. First one in this car. Or no,
CJ just ran.
Against Charlie? Oh, he's back there. Yeah, so I don't know if CJ won or not, but we still got two cars that are running, so hopefully we can go a couple more rounds and we'll see what happens.
Alrighty, here we go.
Comes CJ, first round of eliminations. Gonna try to improve on yesterday's time. I think he can get it done.
Much for me. I think he ran a 5.0, I ran a 5.67. So like I said, we were gonna have to try to get lucky with that pass, but Cole treated the guy that he raced so bad. He beat him with a 5:14, and the other guy went like a 5 or 4:80, and Cole got the win. So we'll continue on. I'm done for the weekend. I just got taken out first round, but we get to go help out Cole and Brian and see if they can get the job done. Well, first round win, as you probably saw. I went in 044 on the light, went a 129.60 foot, and then it went a 514 at 145 out the back door. He went 350 on the light with a 485. There's 0.008 of a second at the difference of the stripe. I heard him coming up on me and I was like, come on, little turbo, do your thing. He came up, I could see him out of the corner of my eye, and he was right there, and he was still creeping on me. And then we just got to the stripe just before him, but he actually blew a head gasket right out of the motor and it backfired hard. We did our job driving, we got lucky, and we got the win. So we're moving on to second round. Second round, here we come. Agent Orange, Fast Tracks right behind. We got Johnny B and his Capri. Ooh, Johnny B and his Capri, that rhymes. And then Brian's got Shagwag.
After about a decent 4-hour wait for a oil down, finally back up. Round 2, Cole's got Johnny B. This is actually going to be a really good race. They run pretty close times. Run, Forrest, run! 512 to 516. Man, that was a good one. I told you, I called it. Now it's on to Brian.
That was a good drag race. That was really close. That was really, really close. His thing is so slow though today. He made a good run. That was a great pass. I didn't think I cut that good of a light, but if this thing didn't go into that stupid open loop, we would have won and laid over and I'd lost. What do you do? It was a great run, great pass. Johnny B made a good lick. Did what we had to do. We gave it a shot. Johnny just outran us and made a good lick. And he's got either Troy or Gullickson this next round. Well, just got taken out. Here comes Brian. We have a bye. Troy and Johnny B are racing each other, and we get to race the winner of that. So we're running this quick, it's about to rain. for the OS 660 class. Brian's pushing up. We got Troy Bednar's in the last call Camaro. Here comes Brian. Fat sticks.
One more.
Alright, good luck, Brian. Thank you.
Let's go, baby! Woo!
Oh, yes. Good run. Good run, good run.
You went a 58 or 9?
Yeah, that was a lot better than last pass, too.
What?
Did you have to drive it really that much? The track was really good at the 60 foot. I could feel it.
Yeah, I didn't drive it. It actually ran really good.
Yeah.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt.